Alright, guys. I know that I'm late again. I had another issue where my phone died, and it's never going to happen again because I'm getting a separate alarm clock in case my phone ever dies. So, this is the last time that I'm going to be late to the stream. Okay? This is the last time. I'm getting a separate alarm clock so this doesn't happen anymore. But, whatever. We're here. So, good morning, everyone. Good morning. And yeah, we do not have a ton of time till market open. We literally got, I think, like 10 minutes. So yeah, not a lot of time at all. Okay, so we actually might not have missed a lot. Okay, we didn't miss anything. Like, this is not, yeah, we did not miss anything, guys. We're chilling. I'm actually very happy about that. We did not miss anything. Perfect. Okay. All right. Yeah, the market's not moved yet. So, we're good. We're chilling. So, I'm going to switch over to the other screen. Hey, what up, random guy? So, I'm going to switch my other screen. So, basically, I keep having this issue where my phone dies. It doesn't wake me up. And so, this is the last time this is going to happen because I'm buying a separate alarm clock. So it's all chill. It's not going to happen anymore. Because my phone. Okay, so let's just go top down, try and figure out what we got going on. Obviously, it's kind of hard because we literally do not have that much time at all. But hey, we just gotta do what we can do with um, where we're at right now. Let me know if you guys have done analysis, what you guys are thinking, and yeah, we'll go from there. So. Man, I hate being late. I hate being late to the stream so much. It's so annoying, but hey, it's all good. It's all good. 72 seconds. What's about 72 seconds? Wait, 72 seconds. What are you referring to? Anyway, we're here. We're here. It's all good. Chess thinks we're gonna dump. Oh, look at, yeah, we got a 10-minute outside bar. Okay, man, what do we even start with? I'm actually so annoyed that because usually I go top down. Um, and I probably don't have enough time to go top down. 72 seconds wild. You started the stream 72 seconds ago. Yeah. Yeah, I did. Because I told you I have issues with the phone not going alarm not going off because it keeps dying. So this is the last time it's gonna happen. I bought a separate alarm clock. It is what it is. Low key, this kind of just looks like um I mean, I don't have all the information yet, but like it very well could just be a BPR and then we go lower. We'll see. I don't know. Like I said, I don't have the information. Man, it sucks. I don't have basically um, anything yet. So, okay, I guess let's just start. It sucks. It sucks that I'm late, but let's just start with what we can do. Um, let's just mark out draws and liquidity. Let's mark out true opens. That's usually a pretty safe way to go. So, not ideal, guys. Not ideal. Trust me, I'm not happy about it, but okay, marking out London low, Asia low. Here we got PM low. Got a lot of session liquidity below. But it looks kind of bullish right now. I don't know. We inverse this gap here. Market just opened. Market just opened. Because I would like to go top down and like really get the whole daily idea. That's the thing. Because this could be a daily move. And if I don't have the daily chart figured out, then I don't really know. Random guys bearish. We're getting so much displacement to the upside here. Like, I want to do top-down analysis. I just don't have time. So, it's whatever. It's whatever. I don't have time. It's fine. Not ideal, guys. We had true day open there. It could very well be a higher time frame move to the upside. We keep manipulating lower and then distributing higher. Do you see this? I kind of feel like I have to do high time frame analysis here because if If it's bullish and I just haven't looked at the higher time frame, I'm just not gonna know. Okay, I'm just gonna start out with higher time frame. I know that it's gonna take a while, but it is what it is. I don't know. I'm not trading this. That's for sure. So I'm just gonna do higher time frame. I really don't care. I know it's not ideal, but so this is my implied for value gap, not ICTs. And then obviously this is looking kind of good as a target. Yeah, I know it's not ideal, guys. I don't um I want to be able to just look at everything, but I gotta go top down. So yeah, I think we might be getting second stage distribution. Because if this is a classic expansion week, then that could definitely be the case. Yeah, there's no news today. True month open. Where's true month open? Hmm. Yeah, this very well possibly could be a higher time frame move. Hmm. Dude, honestly, I don't know right now, guys. It just sucks that I got on the charts late. It is what it is. I'm just trying my best right now. No first presented for value gap yet. Bro, get off the 15-second. Yeah, bro, I'm trying to really get an idea. I got on the charts late, and so it's really annoying because, like, usually I do top down. It's hard, man. I kind of feel like um, it could be a buy model to this, right? That would kind of make sense. The reason I was looking at the 15-second is because if we are expanding to this LRLR here, then the low time frame gaps are gonna hold. That's why I was on the 15-second. So for instance, right, if this is super bullish, Kalechi, if this is super bullish, then all the low time frame gaps just start holding, right? So like, boom, boom. This is super aggressive spooling right here. Chess says it looks bullish. Dude, I don't know right now. Did we have an S&T with this low? Okay, Chess says we're still bearish. Dude, I wish I just got on the charts earlier because I don't have all the information right now. I really don't. I'll just be conservative today. in all honesty. We had a bullish SMT at those lows. It's kind of too late for that to matter right now. And then a giant higher time frame SMT with YM here. Would you trade London if you could? Yeah. I mean, yeah, I guess if I was trading it instead of New York, then yeah. Dang it, bro. I don't know. Right now, I don't know. I think it's a high. I think it's a higher time frame buy model. It's just kind of hard right now. Yeah, we're probably just bullish. Doesn't NVIDIA news come out in the afternoon? You see why I liked this drawn liquidity? It's just such a good looking target, honestly. We're almost there. Dang, bro. It just keeps getting more and more aggressive. This is spooling right here, guys. I mean, look at this. Here's a 15-second outside bar, I think. So Dodgy said, "Oh yeah, back in the day." Yeah. Yeah, I remember when we went to his stream and we talked to him. Yeah. Bro, I think we're just gonna run up to this LRLR. I think it's higher time frames just bullish. And yeah, I think that's it. Right, so something like this will possibly play out. It's just so bullish. I don't have nearly enough information to be tape reading right now. I can't even tape read. I'm not gonna tape read anything. I don't have nearly enough information. Dang it. I don't even know right now. I tried doing high time frame analysis. It's like market is not efficient neither. What do you mean? On prop interface or via TradingView? I trade in the Trade-of-8 dashboard. So like here. Which prop is it? I told you guys I'm trading. I saved up to trade on personal, so I've been trading on personal. But if I keep losing trades, I'm gonna have to go back to saving up again. Oh my gosh. What? Thank you. It's probably a classic expansion week. That's probably what it is. It's probably a classic expansion week. I'm most likely just gonna be tape reading here because I don't feel like taking a real trade. Most likely, it's just definitely lower probability right now for me because I don't have everything framed out. It's hard for me. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's probably a bullish classic expansion week though. Because Tuesday, you can see Tuesday makes low of the week. Yeah, I think it's a bullish classic expansion week where we had true week open. And then true day open of Tuesday. And true session open. And we manipulate into this gap. Note we use this order block there. So then we have my implied gap. Actually, we could probably just do it as a 1 hour gap. Yeah, I think it's a bullish classic expansion week. Where Tuesday made low. What drawn liquidity do we have up there? I think previous day's high for sure. Yeah, I think we're gonna keep going up now at this point. Yeah, honestly, kind of. It does seem like a classic expansion week a little bit. Tuesday made low of the week. And still holding. Oh. Yeah, I think we're gonna drop to this old high. Previous day high. We do a bearish SMT here. I just think it's probably just the higher time frame is just really bullish. Which my favorite time frame? Probably the 15-second. And I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate for that. I really don't care. It's awesome, bro. Oh my gosh. No, but actually, because it's like those you'll get the most explosive reactionary moves, and I know you can. There's potential for so much RR if you can master it. I really do think that. Guys, we'll probably. Why do you get hate for 15 seconds? Because people think that you can't trade it. People think that the 15 seconds like all noise, and it's not. It's very very precise. Uh, man. You've never used the 15-second in your life? Well, it's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna use this old RTH gap for quadrants and see if we're using them. Yeah. Exactly. What's your favorite time frame, Shani? This RTH gap is from what day? This is from like a week ago, right? From Thursday. The 1 hour. I love it so much. Tells me everything I need to know. I love that, bro. I actually might have marked this out badly. It's from close to open, right? So I need to actually mark it out from close to open. Okay. Now that should be right. So if we're truly bullish, I kind of want to see us react off of the RTH upper quadrant here. See that? What did I say? What did I say? Oh, that's so that was like that was actually kind of crazy that I just called that. That was actually kind of crazy. So, is this the first presented for Viagap? 955. Okay, we might actually take a trade because we have the first presented for Viagap that got inversed, and now we're getting first strike off of it. Whoops. I'm not gonna take it, honestly. I don't want to right now. I'm too in this condition where I'm not exactly sure right now, so it's fine. I'll take a trade if we come down, sweep it again. Bang, we just went below it now. It's an interesting idea, tape reading that. But I don't know that we got a rejection block here. I don't know. It might actually not be. Notice how we reacted off of CE of that. So this is the vulture gap. Okay, so watch this to see if we hold this. We gonna reject it or what? Yeah, how does ES look? Kind of looks like we're gonna respect this. Okay, never mind. We're breaking back through it. There's another RTH gap over here. I don't know. I'm still kind of bullish. And I kind of want to see us run this LRLR. Because this is so much displacement. Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of leaning bullish here. We got the midpoint of this RTH gap and the quadrant of this RTH gap in a nice spot. Very similar spot. I think we'll go higher. Let me turn the SMTs back on. I think we'll go higher. It's not enough movement to the downside. It's weak. And we still have this unfinished business above. I'm prepared. I'm prepared if we get anything. Looks like we got what was I thinking? I actually don't know yet. Hang on. We're gonna run this liquidity at some point. It's coming. I can see. I can tell. I can tell it's coming. It's coming soon. So there's one RTH gap. Here's the other. Why is there so many SMTs? Oops. I think we're forming a buy model here. And I think we're going to go higher. We have an end dog here. And it's a 1 minute outside bar too. Wait, no, it's not. I lied. Is that good? I don't know if I like it. If we get a better close in 20 seconds, then I'll take it. Nah, yeah, that's not a good trade. Oh. We tap the end dog. I think we're gonna go higher. We might need to fill the end dog though. Why is my true open indicator not showing all the true opens? Oh, it is. They're just all the way down there. Okay, I'd say we probably need to wait for the next true open to form, honestly. When does the next one form? Pretty soon, right? I want to see the end dog get filled. I think it's still bullish. We're just tapping the top of it. We're about to get an outside bar on the 1 minute. 30-second one. Doesn't look bad, but we didn't. It's not really an outside bar yet, so I kind of want to see this get filled. So much generated liquidity here. Surely it's gonna just explode right now. And it's a 5-minute suspension block, by the way. So we might want to put quadrants on this as well. Oh, we just got a perfect reaction off the lower quadrant of the suspension block. That is very telling. That is very telling. If we're bullish, that's exactly what you would expect it to do. I think we're about to go run liquidity. I think it's pretty clear now. It's just a matter of like kind of, are we gonna break this or not? So it's a 5-minute suspension block. Oh my gosh, I missed the entry. I was gonna take it. I was gonna take it. That's bearish. Or not. I don't like anything. It's whatever. It's kind of weak. It's low-key kind of weak. You think that if the 5-minute suspension block inverses, it's honestly kind of weak. By the way, guys, I was actually gonna take this. The only reason I didn't is because um, I was just like slightly late. But I honestly, it's fine that I didn't. Now that I'm looking at it, I don't know. It's kind of weak right now. I was expecting it to be a little stronger than that. Not okay. So this is a manipulation of the true open here. It is very tricky right now. The 5-second inversion is nice. When's the next 90-minute true open? Not till 10:52. It's quite a bit. Yeah. It's not exactly. It's not ideal. It's not ideal. Honestly, it's probably not worth trading, guys. Unless we get a reaction off the first center for value gap. And then I'd maybe consider something. Like a closure back higher here. Something like this. What up, random? So this is probably becoming a buy model, which means this is inversion breaker right here. This is something I've never talked about, inversion breakers, because I just barely learned about them. Reaper kill shot right here. So that might be Reaper kill shot. Pay attention to see if this is Reaper kill shot, where you basically have the Reaper gap and you just put a limit order there. So this is Reaper kill shot. But you guys can kind of see what I'm saying. I'm probably not gonna take anything. I think we will continue to expand towards that high. And this still could be being held right now. It might just be using the bodies to hold it. Looks like we're gonna expand here to the upside. Do I know price action? Yes. I don't know what you mean by that, but yes. Wait, this is the superstar gap right here. It's pretty dope. I think we expand now at this point. Scalping? A lot of what I do is scalping, yeah. So we have a first strike here. This could play out. But we'll see. Nothing's obvious enough to take, at least for me. But we actually might reject it. Good, dude. Heck yeah. That's great. That's awesome, bro. What might end up happening, guys, is we might come down and fill the end dog, sweeping out the lows, and then we'll come up. That's very possible. We ended up getting a first strike to the downside. And this is actually a bearish Reaper gap, actually, if you think about it. And then this 1 minute inverse. Okay, longs here look actually pretty nice. I'm going to be watching to see if we form a... You think we're bearish? I think longs here look nice because I still want to go to this liquidity pool here. And obviously we've been expanding all day. So we just formed an SMT. The reason I'm pulling up S&P is I do want to see if we get like a precision swing point. Once again, at this point, if we got an internal sweep down here and then an inversion, this would probably be a goated trade right here. Like something like this. Fill in the end dog. Yeah, that's... yeah, yes, bro. Random, yes. I don't know what else to say besides yes. Yes, price runs liquidity. Yes. Price runs liquidity. And then if this did happen, we would probably anticipate a move up to go to... Oh, why am I not checking absorption? What am I doing? Bro, I gotta be checking the absorption. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Alright. Alright, I want to see where we absorbing orders here. 514, 359. There's a lot of absorption there. A lot of market selling into these moves, right? A lot of market selling down every time we go down. It kind of seems like orders could be getting filled. So the way you know if it's actually happening, lots of market selling here, is if we start getting really high market orders back up, because that will tell us what that smart money's now market buying to take us to move their orders they just filled up to a different liquidity pool. Once again, it's a 5 minute suspension block. If I'm anticipating this 5 minute suspension block to hold, um, and we get a buy model off of this, we just got a CRT candle, by the way. Oh, we got a precision swing point. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think this is the move, guys. Wait, actually, this is such a good move. Wait. Okay, I like this precision swing point a lot. Oh my gosh, I was gonna take that, but I kind of am late. This is precision swing point's really nice. Or I might just go for a lower time frame, but yeah, we got a pin bar here, which is a precision swing point. Okay, I'm gonna take this, I think.
Order filled.
What's... I'm gonna take this up 4 projections, so I'm gonna take this up to 348. I'll do half off at 2 and half off in 4. I'll go break even at this high right here. Actually, go break even at this high. Okay, I'm going break even here. Oh yeah, I gotta put the sell limit in. What am I doing? 319.
Stop filled.
Okay. Break even. It was kind of a messy trade. I mean, I think it was a good trade. I think I did everything right. So the trade I took was we had a precision swing point off the New Day opening gap. And whoops, and that anytime, or a pin bar off the New Day opening gap. Anytime we get that, I do. It's called Hand of FA. So right here. And I was gonna do TP2 and TP3. Like I was gonna do TP1 right here and then TP2. Like this. I might still take another trade. Looks like we could still be getting a buy model here. And this trade still could work out. Honestly, very well could, actually. Once again, we're kind of utilizing the same rejection block we've been using. And the higher time, we have a suspension block. Okay, there's both the true opens. We just formed the new one. Check to see if there's market selling within there. Yup, more market selling. Lots of market selling. We're forming an SMT. We're at a 369 time. It might be bearish, but I would think we're gonna continue to the upside. We'll see. Oh, 1 minute outside bar here. Okay, this is the move right here if we get it. Oh, we got a 30-second one. Okay, I'm gonna take the 30-second one.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Dang, bro. That's okay. I mean, I kind of liked it, but it's all good. So I'm closing out a trade of 8 now. We obviously must be just bearish here. I'm just offside. Okay, I closed Tradeovate, by the way. I'm done. I thought that was okay, but I guess obviously not. It's okay. By the way, I'm gonna have to be going back to trading on demo, so sucks, but it is what it is. At least until probably about 2 weeks from now. So. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to go back to. I'm gonna have to go back to trading on demo. It's all good though. It's all good. We'll see if this plays out. Bro, this trade is gonna be as long as heck, bro. Uh, Alright, I'm gonna probably end the stream, but tape read this, see if this plays out. Honestly, there's probably no one watching the stream right now, and that is totally fine. I really don't care. Oh, there's actually 4 people watching. That's actually more than I would think. But anyway, yeah, let's just I'm gonna call it a day. I know I took the loss. I'm gonna journal it. There's an external gap. Obviously, it wasn't perfect, but we're delivering from that New Day opening gap, so I kind of liked it, right? We're delivering from this New Day opening gap. Hey, Kobe's watching. Let's go. Yes, we're delivering from the New Day opening gap, so that is essentially the main reason why I took it, right? And obviously you guys have to understand that when these type of trades do work out, like this outside bar here, when this type of trade does work out, it's gonna be pretty high RR, and you can see how we filled the New Day opening gap with SMT. So not a ton of regret. I think it's okay, but I don't know. I think sometimes you just have to try different things, and obviously some things are gonna fail. This 30-second outside bar, it was obviously a front run of the 1 minute, and I was aware of that. One thing I will say is the 1 minute close was not that good. So you know what? Like I said, I'm just gonna keep getting better, and I think it's okay that I'm not perfect. It genuinely is. I'm gonna keep moving forward. So like I said, I don't really care about anything else. I'm just gonna kind of ignore all the noise. Axiom, I've never used Axiom, but anyway, guys, I'm gonna end the stream here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.